Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the SCCM Update 1806. There's been a hotfix that's recently been released for the 1806. The hotfix is supposed to fix the issue with the WDS/Pixie booting. So with that, let's get started. Now, as you can see right here, here's the 1806 hotfix. And now, if you have installed 1806 before a certain date, I think it's August 24th, you'll need to apply this hotfix. Also, if you have a package grid, on the primary site server, you'll need to apply this hotfix. Now, the way to check that is you go in here and you go package grid. And it'll show you the package grid. Now, let me just kind of bring this over a little bit so you can kind of see. I know it's kind of a long number, but there's my last two numbers. And based on this information, I will need to apply this hotfix. Also, you can check, especially if you have a primary site and a secondary site, there's a query that you can run. And here's the query. I'll put the query in the link in the description comment section below. And if it returns a 1, it means that your system is up to date and you don't need to apply. But again, I don't have a secondary site, so that's why mine's going to return a 1. But if you get a 0 return, then that means you're going to need to upgrade your secondary site as well. And with that, you'll need to after you install the update on the primary site, the pre-existing secondary site must manually be updated. So to update the secondary site in the configuration manager console, click on the administration site, and then you click on the administration, and then you click on the and then you're going to want to click on the recovery site information. So let me go to that real quick so I can kind of show you what that is. Give me 1 second. All right, so to manually update the secondary site with the 1806 hotfix, as you can see, I'm an administration site configuration site, and if you right-click, you'll see recover secondary site. Now, this will allow the primary site server to update the secondary site. Now, I don't have a secondary site, which is why this is grayed out for me, so I can't do that. So, with that, let's go ahead and install this hotfix. So you click on the hotfix. I'm going to go ahead and click on install hotfix. You want to accept the license agreement. Next. Now this will take some time to install. I'm going to pause this video. I'll be right back. And as you can see, it's doing a pre-rec check, so it's going to do that for a little bit, and then once it does that, it'll start going through. So now it's passed, so now it's going to start the installation. And once this is completed, I will be right back. So I'll pause the video. Okay, once the hotfix has been applied, it's going to upgrade your console, so the version will now be upgraded. So it's going to close your configuration manager console, and it's going to download the files and start the installation. So I'm going to pause, and I'll be right back. And as you can see, it's now upgrading the configuration manager console to the latest version, which also means you'll need to upgrade your clients to the latest. So we'll check that in a moment to see if we need to upgrade the clients to the newest version of the agent. As you can see, it's now done. So we're going to go ahead and launch the console. So we're going to check it. As you can see, it's 8692. So let's see what my devices are currently at. Check client version. 8692. So there is no update. So there's no, we don't need to update clients. It's the same version. This is 1003. Oh yeah, we'll probably need to update. So yeah. So again, it's gonna probably update the clients now too. Now, if you want to see how to do that, I have another video on how to do that. So you can all put that video in the link description when I did the 1806 update, so you can check that out. And that's basically it. So just make sure that, and I'll also put the query. So if I run this query again, it's going to say, let me just pause. When I run this query again, it's going to give me 1, which means my site is completely updated. Now again, if you have a 0 return, you'll need to update your secondary site by using that recovery option. So you go to administration, you go to sites, site configuration sites, and then you right click on this and you go recover secondary site, which will then update your secondary site with, the primary site will then update your secondary site with all the latest and greatest updates. So just go ahead and run that, and that's basically it. Again, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I'll put all the information that you need in the description in the comment section below. Again, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.